Let's do a little math practice. If we were in school, today's number would be 144. Let's take a look at 144. There's a 1 in the hundreds place, there's a 4 in the tens place, and there's a 4 in the ones place. So let's see, is 144 odd or even? What do you think? Well, if there's a 4 in the ones place, we know that 4, we could make 2 equal groups. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So when there's an even number in the ones place, the number is even. Let's spell it out. 144. Ooh. How about expand it? We said there's 100 plus, what's in the tens place? 4 stands for 4 tens, 40, plus 4 ones. 100 plus 40 plus 4. Good job. Now let's think about one more and one less. What comes before 144 on the hundreds chart? Well, if 43 comes before 44, 143 comes before 144. And what comes after 44? 45. That's right. So after 144 comes 145. Good. What's 10 less than 44? 34. That's right, but don't forget we're up in the 100s, so 134. And what's 10 more than 44? 54. So don't forget we're in the 100s, so 154. Good. All right, let's think about 144 in two parts. Well, we know that 100 plus 44 more equals 144. What happens if we take 144 and split it in half? Let's find the double. What's half of 4? 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And let's look at these two numbers. 14. What's half of 14? 7 plus 7 is 14. So 72 plus 72 is the double for 144. 2 is half of 4. 7 is half of 14. So 72 and 72. Well, let's take one of those 72s and put it over here. And let's take the other 72 and think of two numbers that equal 72. If you said 70 plus 2, you are right. 72 plus 70 plus 2 equals 144. Take a look at this number line. If I start on 144, how many jumps do I have to get? Or to get to 151? Let's see. Here's 144. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 jumps from 144 to 151. That means that 144 plus 7 equals 151. Now let's think about coins and money. If I wanted to make 144 cents, well, I know the 100 part stands for $1. So I could use $1, right? And then how would I make the 72 cents? Oh, I'm sorry, the 42 cents. 42 cents. I could use 4 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40. So here's the 100 part. Here's the 40 part. And I still have 4 cents left over. How could I make 4 cents? You're right, 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. So here's the 100, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, or $1.44. And that would look like this, $1.44. Let's make it using 100 ones and tens blocks. So let's see. If we wanted 100, oh, I don't have a big 100 one, but I do have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Uh-oh, these are all the tens I have. But what I could do is I could take 10 of those tens and make a big 100 like we have at school. So there's a 100. I'm going to trade all of these in for a 100. And then I'm going to take 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. Now I have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144. There we go. Good job. And last, we'll do a little measurement like we were working on the other day. I have 4 boxes. Do you think these things I have will fit in these boxes? Let's take a look at this paintbrush. Where do you think this paintbrush will fit? Oh, too long for B. Definitely too long for A. How about C? Does it fit in C? Look at that, it does. How about this eraser? Does it fit in B? Nope, too short. How about A? Not quite. How about D? Yes, it fits in D. Just right. Good. How about this tube of paint? Too long for A, but just right for B. And how about this chalk? Well, A is the only one left, but let's see. Oh, just perfect to fit in A box. So let's answer these 2 questions at the bottom. It says, which item is the shortest? Let's take a look. Well, these 2 look like the short ones, but the eraser is a little bit shorter than the chalk. So the eraser is the shortest. Which one is the longest? Well, the long ones are the paint and the paintbrush. And the paintbrush is a little bit longer, so the paintbrush is the longest. Good job, everybody. See if you can measure some things at home today. Bye-bye.